Good morning! Happy Sunday, my friends. Whoa. How are you? I hope you're well. Welcome to a new weekly vlog. While I talk to you, I'm gonna oil my hair. I'm so into hair oiling at the moment. I have been so consistent with it. If you're wondering what oil I use, this is a mixture of castor oil, rosemary oil, and the Rapunzel oil, and I do it once a week on hair wash day, if you're curious. It does kind of go everywhere though. So the vlogs up until Christmas are gonna be a little bit chronologically disjointed. If you watched my makeup video that I posted earlier this week, you will have seen that I spoke about how I took the birthday weekend off for editing the vlog. Last week you didn't get a weekly vlog, so this week's vlog is from a couple of weeks ago. So we haven't got particularly festive in this vlog yet. However, we're about to get real festive because we're gonna start the Christmas countdown. Christmas is in 11 days. So today you get a weekly vlog, but tomorrow is day one of the Christmas countdown. I'm gonna do 10 videos counting us down to Christmas. So it's gonna be a mixture of different kinds of videos. You're getting vlogs and you're getting sit down videos. You get ready with me. 10 videos, 10 days counting down to Christmas to end the year with a bang. And I'm excited. And we are going old school. We're going old school with the content. We're gonna decorate the tree together. We're gonna wrap presents together. We might do some colouring together, some scrapbooking together. Get ready with me's, empties videos, my 2024 favourites. Definitely not been in the space to do Vlogmas this year, but I did want to do something a little bit extra just to celebrate the end of the year. Kind of like a 10-day advent calendar. So the vlogs are a little bit chronologically weird because I want to add something Christmassy into all of the vlogs throughout the next 10 days. So we're going to Winter Wonderland. It's my birthday, so I'll do a birthday vlog, just breaking up the weekly vlogs essentially into lots of mini vlogs, festive fun, and I hope you enjoy it. You'll be getting one more weekly vlog before the end of the year, but this is going to be my penultimate weekly vlog of the year because you're going to get daily vlogs and other content. I hope you're excited. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. It's quite a short one, sorry. Like I said, I've not been in the headspace to do Vlogmas. I've not been I've just not been talking to the camera much recently, and I feel like maybe doing the countdown to Christmas will encourage me to pick up the camera more. I don't know what is wrong with me at the moment. I've just gone really inwards and haven't really been very talkative, which is difficult when you're like a kind of daily vlogger. You need to be talking. So I feel like this will be fun to add loads of festive content and give you 11 videos in a row. So I hope you are excited as I am. Enjoy this week's vlog and I will see you guys tomorrow, where we're gonna get festive, baby. Enjoy! Good morning, my friends. Happy Tuesday. I was just kind of in my own little world yesterday. Filmed a couple of things and edited and got on with my work and just wasn't doing anything particularly interesting that I felt like I needed to talk about. Set up my warm-up weight for my hip thrusts and immediately spilt my drink everywhere. So if you'd like an idea of how yesterday was, that was how it was. No, it was fine. I had a fine day. It was just nothing of note, to be honest with you. I'm half ready. I was supposed to be up in London today to meet my management for breakfast. That's now happening on Thursday, which honestly I'm fine with because it's torrentially raining and I hate going up to London in the rain. So I'm actually secretly quite happy. But it means that I have a day free because I wouldn't get home until like 3 p.m. and it's dark by then. I basically have a whole day that I wasn't expecting. I'm gonna continue to get ready, go to the gym. I didn't think I'd be able to train today, and potter. I shall potter. Where's my turning spritz? I am getting ready in a crazy rush. My best mate, Cara, texted me this morning asking if I'd like to go and see the 502s tonight with her, her dad, and her sister. I love the 502s. If you've never heard their music, really good. Very feel good, like proper makes you want to dance, but also love Kaz, but also love Kaz's dad and sister. So of course I said yes. I need to get to Brixton. I'm not prepared. So I just had a shower. She texted me while I was in the gym. So I came home, cracked on with some work, hopped in the shower. Now I'm getting ready in a big old rush. But in the shower, I literally exfoliated off all my fake tan. So I'm just topping it up with, you guys know, my EFFN that I put on all of the bits that are visual. That I whack on all the areas that are actually visible. I need to leave in about an hour and a half. But speaking of Kaz, if you want to know why I've been a little bit quiet this week, I've been editing the Philippines vlog, which if you remember, we had external hard drive gate where my external hard drive crashed and I lost everything, including a 80% edited Philippines vlog and all of the footage. I just couldn't quite handle or like stand the idea of editing it again from scratch. It's taken me a good 4 months to actually come around to the idea of editing the video. So I started it a couple of days ago and that's how I've been spending most of my day today. It's probably got a good week left in it until I'll be happy with it because I am very weird about travel vlogs because I feel quite protective of them and I want them to do the trip and the place justice. So I always put way too much pressure on them to be the best videos ever, hence why they take me so long. I'm gonna try and not be like that for this because otherwise it's never gonna go up. I'm excited to see Kaz today and be able to tell her that I am once again editing the Philippines vlog because she knows what I'm like. She hasn't asked me about it, but Rob the other day was like, are you ever gonna edit the Philippines vlog? Because he really wants to see it and his mum wants to see it. And I was like, yeah, I should probably get on with that, shouldn't I? Where do I start? Hair or makeup? I washed my hair for the first time since dyeing it purple and I feel like it's now more the actual colour. My scalp was so stained purple. It's now looking much less so, but I wish that I'd fake tanned because it makes me look a little bit ghostly pale anyway. Dark hair does kind of wash me out, and now I obviously have no fake tan on, so I feel a little bit ghostly. What you gonna do, eh? What you gonna do? My other half was it's the season of mistakes, and I saw your mom. She forgot that I existed. I'm my fault, but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas, and I I left for your place, go do nothing for me now, except dress me in It's giving witchy vibes. I haven't vlogged for a couple of days because I've been really poorly. I do not know what is going on with me at the moment. I have not been ill this many times in such a short space of time for so long. I've had a absolute killer migraine for like 2 days. I went and saw the 502s. So it was me, Cara, her little sister and her dad. The four of us have actually been to a few gigs together. It's a very wholesome dynamic. We just had the best time and I love the 502s. I was absolutely over the moon. Woke up the next morning with what I thought was a hangover. I did have a good like few drinks, but like, I don't know, I didn't feel like I deserved the level of hangover that I got, and it basically ended up lasting 2 days. I think it was a combination of initially a bit of a hangover, but also when I have PMS I always get like a massive headache, so it was kind of that, and I had the shivers and I was just all feverish, felt really sick, and I was just like, I don't know what this is this ill? Is this period? Is this hangover? And I think it's a combination of all three, so I've not been very well. And I woke up this morning and I'll be honest, I have still got quite a bad headache, but there's nothing I can do about it because I'm off in London today. I have drugged up. I need to leave in about half an hour to go and have a lovely breakfast with my management, who I have not seen in years. This is our third attempt this week and I'm excited to see them. And then I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna crack on with editing the weekly vlog, because this weekend I'm excited. We are doing a lovely weekend, me and Rob. It's a weekend at home. We are spending all day Saturday watching the new David Attenborough Asia series. We've not watched it yet, so we're gonna watch all of it together and then end off the night with Strictly. But I think we might also put up the Christmas tree, but I haven't quite decided yet, but I think that would be nice. And then Sunday, my dad is having a roast at his, so we're gonna go to his house and see my nephews and Amy, just have a lovely chilled weekend. And I'm really excited. I feel like I kind of need a nice chilled weekend. Oh my god, my jaw just clicked so hard. After my meeting, I might try and go to the gym because I've obviously not been for the past couple of days. Been so consistent, I've been so on it, and I've been enjoying it so much. My strength is coming back. Rob and I are going to train together this weekend as well. But first things first, I need to get dressed, film a get dressed with me for Instagram, and head off to London. So let's go have a lovely day. Morning. How are you doing? I hope the answer is very well, thanks, Emma. Oh, I'm feeling in the best spirits I've felt in weeks. Today I had the perfect, like, restorative weekend. Friday night I had the evening to myself, and then Saturday Rob came over. We went and trained together in the morning and then spent all day watching the new David Attenborough Asia series. We literally watched the whole thing, 7 hours of David Attenborough, and I just wept like a baby and had the most wonderful time. We kind of spontaneously decided to go and see Wicked. We went and saw the 9:15 viewing, so we were out at like half midnight, but it was absolutely brilliant. It was brilliant, and I'm so glad I saw it like the the week it came out. Because I'm so bad for being like, oh, I'd love to go see that in the cinema, I'd love to go see that, blah, blah, blah. Never seeing it and then just watching it at home, which obviously is fine. But some films, such as Wicked, I feel like that's a going to the cinema film, and I bloody loved it. And then Sunday we went to my dad's for a roast dinner and saw my sister and my nephews and just had a nice catch up, finished the vlog, got that uploaded, and now it's Monday. And I'm throwing on the most basic makeup ever. I'm not gonna do a full face at all. I am training with G this morning. I need to go and meet her in like 10 minutes. Yeah, I need to leave in 10. Then I'm walking from there to pick up my car from my dad's because I ended up having a couple glasses of wine last night, so I couldn't drive home. My dad does literally live down the road. I wouldn't normally drive to my dad's. I only drive there if I have like loads of stuff to take with me, which yesterday I did. And then he offered me wine and I was like, eh. And then my proper work day can commence. But I won't lie, I'm not looking forward to this gym session. We're gonna go light with the weights just to go get some movement in. And obviously I'll take you with me. Let me just finish this situation, then we'll go to the gym together. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Let's go lift. And that is where this vlog ends. I told you it was short, but I promise you the next vlog is full of festive fun. We're gonna go to Winter Wonderland and we're gonna get our hair done together and we're gonna have my birthday and all the fun things. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Leave a comment down below if you're excited, because I'm excited. The countdown to Christmas is on, baby. Not long to go now. Crazy. I'm so excited for a few days of food and family and friends. So have the best rest of your day and I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you tune in every day. For the next 10 days, I'll be reminding you and I'll be posting on Instagram whenever I go live. But if you haven't subscribed, now would be the time to subscribe. And yeah, love you. Bye. Mwah.